Similar. Nah. Ah. Similar. Soca does give me powers. Yeah. Make me jump and fit for hours. Nah. Soca does give me powers.
Last week, I got into a fight with the drone. We also left the Grenada Yacht Club and sailed over to Clark's Court Bay. This week's adventure begins with checking in to Clark's Court Boatyard.
So that was about the easiest thing that's happened on the boat.
And so far, all the people are really nice, like really nice. Just say call on the VHF when we're ready to get close. And they'll come help us with a guy will bring a dinghy and touch a rope with us and pull us right in, and then we're gonna be hauled out on the trailer.
So I am out here on the dinghy by myself. The boys are getting on the boat, getting ready to haul out. We're really excited that it's happening. It's officially happening. There they are.
The boys prepared 4 dock lines for the gentleman at the haul-out well to easily guide us right on in, as I followed behind in the dinghy. Everything went as planned, so the boys hopped in and we headed on over to shore. We watched as divers jumped in to adjust the sling.
It's going up.
Here it comes.
And before you knew it, we were out of the water. We were excited and ready to begin our work. You hadn't noticed the huge boat lift. Its name's the Hulk. It's an Italian-built boat lift that lifts 242 tons and a max lifting beam that can be 37 feet and a draft of 13 feet. I think the name suits itself.
You can see all the old colors in the bottom paint.
And right after they haul it out, they do a power pressure wash, so it completely clears all the barnacles off the bottom of the boat, which is very nice and helpful when you're trying to sand. Our first impression of the boat, we were a bit worried. We definitely had a lot of work cut out for us this week. Then Mischief took a ride on a big green tractor. After finding our place, they placed 2 steel keel blocks to support the weight, and then put stands up to help balance the boat. After squaring away everything, we were ready to climb aboard and experience a life of living on the hard.
This is scary.
Is it?
Yeah, it is.
That was way too scary, way too scary.
We made it. We're out.
So before settling in, we headed over to the North Yacht Shop, which is actually located right on property, which is very easy and convenient. We were desperate for a need of new batteries.
The reason I'm replacing these 2 first is because they go to my refrigerator and I need my fridge to stay on.
ended up only buying 2 to start because they're quite pricey and they cost about $204 a piece.
Install them.
Don't do it unless you know what you're doing.
Okay, but
I have ran a wire from my negative to my positive while I load everything down on one positive post and one negative post, and this creates 12 volts. Wires go to your negative.
and the red go to my positive.
And the red go to the positive.
Okay.
Once they were replaced, Mac's time with us was coming to an end. Back to the big city he went.
I want to see updates on the phone.
Though the work kept going for us, it felt like we'd be seeing him for years to come. Though, of course, we had a small hiccup.
So can you tell me what you're experiencing right now?
Terribleness, 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 awfulness, terrible things. I'm trying to upload the video this week that I spent about like 3 days straight just working on, 3 whole freaking days. And today we spent all day, just alone a 4th day, on just trying to upload it. So we sat up at the bar for hours upon hours, and just as I was trying to upload it, it wouldn't allow me, so I X'd out of it and I reopened my hard drive. Long story short, I reopen it and all the files are gone. They are gone. And I have no idea what to do. They're all gone. Every single one of them.
I immediately called my computer guru, Charles, and started trying everything.
Gotta text him back. Nothing.
Here we go. Though, on a happier note, we felt it was time to finally put the name on the boat. Many of you might be wondering why it says Traviesa on the transom instead of Mischief. Well, you're going to have to stick with us to find out the backstory in a later video. After a fun project, we headed back to the bottom of the boat. Because of the propeller sat there for 15 years, it did not want to come off, so we could replace it. So we were definitely going to need to find a prop puller.
Need a prop puller.
This is their accommodations. I will say this is probably one of the best ones we've seen. A brand new restroom.
The accommodations were very nice. Everything was brand new and clean.
It's actually really nice. Here I go.
And there's nothing like having a hot, long shower after hard work. Next week, we get our last shipment from Tropical, including our new anchor. I'm finished sanding and painting the bottom of the boat.
Hi guys, welcome back to Sailing Mischief. If you couldn't tell, we're having a beautiful day out here sailing the Caribbean. But we need your help to continue help our dream come true by continuing to sail to each island. So please think about sending some love. And I can't wait for you guys to check out this week's video. Bye!